Amadeus information pages, also known as GG pages. To display their index, enter GGAIS. Several examples of topics and how to access them are displayed. Request airport information, for example, you need to enter GG, go and get APT. In this example, the information is provided by the various airport authorities and airlines. For example, to display information about Midway Airport in Chicago, you have to enter GG, APT, MTW, three-letter code of Chicago, MTW, Midway Airport. On the first page, you can see information such as local time distance between the airport and the Chicago city, the phone number for inquiry, and so on. Here you can access information about local car parking facilities. To get this information, enter GG, APT, three-letter code MDW, and four-letter code of the service park, 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 or you can simply type GP2. All the information about parking at Midway as provided by the airport itself is now displayed.